on the side as he trying to hide the fact is the earth, but she's known since birth. Hey YouTube, we're gonna do Outside Minor, which appears to be a song about nature, natural processes, stuff like that. A couple insect mentions in the song. Starts on the E minor, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it goes to A. So E minor is kind of just like a introduction. It's not in the song after that. A, so you can play it open. But I like to play it up here because I kind of think of this as a descending chord progression. After A, go to C sharp minor. A is at the 5th fret on the 6th string root. C sharp minor is on the 4th fret, 5th string root. B is at the 2nd fret, 5th string root, and then A. So we start on A up here, we get moved down to A, and then the second part of it is I believe structure and nectar. Okay, so it goes all together. A, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the beat. That's the verse. Then we have a chorus. E major. It lies on the side. She's trying to hide the fact it's the earth, she's known since birth. That's a E major. A. G. B. That repeats. That's a E major. It lies on the side. A. What's he trying to hide? The fact. G. The fact is the earth that she's known since birth. B. E. A. G. B. All major. So the only minor chords in the song, well, we have that E minor at the beginning in the intro, if you consider that, and then there's a C sharp minor. Everything else is major. All right, and that's how we play outdoor minor, which I guess is kind of insect, and there's something about a serpentine. There's a couple things in here about insects and stuff about lines. That's why I say it's probably about something about nature, and they talk about like cell structure of. It's a very influential song that was put out in 1979, and it was kind of like the beginning of like the new wave music that came out in the 80s. All right, thanks for watching. Have fun. Bye.